Hello, good afternoon. Okay, so far we have been doing subtraction and we have been using objects like counters, some people use blocks, right? So instead of using those concrete objects, like this is a concrete object, they call it a concrete object, something you can touch and feel, right? Whether it's a pallet stick, or anything else, or straws, right? We are starting to be going to the level of drawing the things now. Okay, so if I was going to use concrete objects to this, I would have two actual apples in my hand, right? But now I am not using the concrete objects, I'm starting to draw. So we're moving on, right? So I have two apples and I've written the word, sorry, the numeral or the number 2, right? This pen isn't writing well. Okay, so I've written 2 because that's how many I have. Two apples, right? So I've written 2, and normally I'll write 2 take away. Can you see that? I'll write the whole word 2. Two take away. And if I want to take away 1, okay, let us say it's 2 take away 1, right? So I have 2 apples drawn and I'm going to take away 1. Okay? Now, instead of writing this word take away, there is a sign that you can use and it tells you that you have to take away, right? So I could write it like this: 2, this little sign, you see if there like a dash going across this, anytime you see this with numbers, it means that you have to take away. 2 take away 1, 2 take away 1, or I can write a dash for take away, right? 2 take away 1, and there is another symbol that we can use. So here I would have written 2 take away 1 makes, or leaves, or whatever, right? 2 take away 1 makes or equals. So instead of writing all of that, I can shorten it. 2 take away 1, let me put this a little lower. 2 take away 1, this sign means makes or equals, right? Right? 2 take away 1 equals. So I have 2, and if I cross out 1, get rid of 1, take it away, how many do I have remaining? Yes, 1 more, right? So that is the 1 there. 2 take away 1 leaves 1, or 2 take away 1 makes 1, right? So we were using, I was using bottle covers before. We got 2 bottle covers here. This is what I was doing before. Right, this is what I was doing before. Like I would have 2 bottle covers. Oh, let me move this out. Right, and I would have taken away 1, right? Now I am not doing that. I am drawing it, as you can draw it in your books. And then we move from drawing it to writing the actual number. These are 2 apples, so I wrote 2, take away 1, 2, and the sign says take away. Every time you see the sign, it means you have to take away, right? So for instance, if I had written this, what number is that? Yes, that's 3, take away 2 equals or makes. So I am starting with 3 things. 1, that's how many I have. And from the 3, I want to take away 2. This says take away 2. So I have 3 and I want to take away 2. So I'm going to cross out 2 and I remain with 1. So 3 take away 2 equals 1, or leaves 1, or 1 is remaining. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Okay, so we're going to practice writing the actual number and the sign for takeaway. And then later on we'll shift back to addition and start adding across and start adding going down horizontally and vertically. Okay, bye.